Alright, this is number 15 from the practice test. And this is the last one that I'm doing for tonight because I'm tired and I have to go to bed. So it's number 15. It says, what is the major product of the following reaction sequence? Okay, so they give us, here we have, it's an alkyne. So first they treat it with hydrogen bromide, and it's one equivalent, right? Like, if there's one molecule with this, there's only one molecule of this. And then they treat it with hydrogen chloride, which is one equivalent. Alright, so we have an alkyne, and then we have one hydrogen bromide and two hydrogen bromide. I know just from looking at that we're dealing with addition of hydrogen halides to alkynes, right? And it occurs once or twice, depending on how many molar equivalents of hydrogen halide are added. Okay, and here we're adding 1 and then 2. So we're adding 2, so it's going to be done twice. And if it's done twice, both additions are Markovnikov. And give geminal halides. Right? So this is step 1. Here's my original alkyne. This is a hydrogen at the end. So the first step, I treat it with hydrogen bromide, one equivalent. The alkyne pi bond gives its electrons to the hydrogen. This bond breaks, and we're left with the following. It's Markovnikov, so the H goes to, there was one H here, no H, oh wait, right, no H right there. So the H goes to the carbon that already had the more H's. Right, and then I get, so this is where it's positive. So here's the bromine anion that broke off. And then this donates electrons to that positive center right there. And after it does that, we have a neutral alkyne, right? And then step 2, Here's our neutral alkyne. And we treat it with hydrogen chloride, 1 equivalent, right? The pi bond from the alkyne, it attacks the hydrogen, this bond splits, and we get the following. The hydrogen follows Markovnikov, it goes to the carbon that already had more hydrogens, which is this one, so we get a CH3 and a carbocation right there, plus the chlorine anion that broke off, which then donates its electrons to the carbocation, and from that addition we get our final molecule, which is a geminal dihalide geminal. It's on the same molecule, Geminese, and that corresponds to letter C on the practice exam. Alright, good night.